Caldwell's work has been exceptional. Most importantly, they earned my trust because when they did come and look at work that other tree folks had done, they professionally pointed out, some damage that had been done.
There's no way we can accomplish what we accomplish in the urban situation that we're in without having some very reliable and trusted partners. And I think Caldwell has been that for us for a long time.
We needed help with identifying what trees should be taken down that maybe were diseased or too thick or not appropriate for the area. And then we needed assistance with deciding what kinds of trees would do well in this area. So Caldwell helped with that planning and then with the purchase and the installation of the appropriate trees.
They've really taken the time and the care to understand our property and our goals and our needs, which is huge. We want that relationship and we want that understanding from any of our vendors that they are in it with us and they are helping us accomplish this mission. And to have people with great skill help you accomplish that is something we really value.
So the Caldwell techs, the staff that come on site, they're fantastic. They get to work, they welcome questions, and they're very neat. When they clean up, it's unbelievable.
Yes, we're very, very happy with Caldwell. Have been from the start, continue to be, and continue to have more work that we're planning later this year.